PLATATAC Mesh GP Duffle is your perfect companion for amphibious operations or maritime use, or even just going to the beach if that's what you're after. It's designed to carry your gear dry or wet. You can store wet gear and even rinse your kit within the mesh bag and hang it out to dry. It is super light and it folds down extremely small. It is made from durable PVC and features heavy duty zips for increased open space to fill and empty the bag. The Mesh Duffle Bag has two handles and an outer strap to allow the user to carabiner the bag to the boat or the vehicle. This bag also features a velcro patch and an outer pocket to label your gear. In addition to use for amphibious operations, the PLATATAC Mesh GP Duffle is your perfect companion for a wide variety of activities, including going to the beach. You can throw your flip-flops in here, you can throw your towel, your flippers, your snorkeling gear and all that sort of stuff. It's great, as I mentioned before, for washing your gear in so that you can then hang it out and let it all dry. It's available in two sizes. We've got the large and we've got the medium. And in fact, the medium or the large, either of them, are great for separating out luggage or throwing in things like dirty laundry when you're traveling. You can keep that in your bag, stick all your dirties in there. Or alternatively, if your bag's a bit overweight and you're carrying this with you, you can separate your bag into two separate bags to bring the weight back down again. But this is a fantastic, handy, all-round use bag. For more information, visit www.platatac.com.